just getting ready to clean this mess up and then put the new mulch out. I'm gonna get these bricks out of here too that look so crazy. I put them in there when I had those Christmas trees up there. But yeah, look at all that mud. Look at that. Those birds, like I said, they're so disrespectful. Look at this. I mean, you knock a nest down, they'll come back and do another one. But I just scrubbed all of this stuff up when I shared with y'all how they did my deck. I cleaned it up that day. So I'm going to do it again in a little bit. But first, I'm going to rake all of this stuff up and bag it up. And then clean the porch off, clean the door, the glass on the door, and scrub that mess up. So I'll get back with y'all a little later. Good morning, YouTube family and friends. Happy Tuesday, y'all. I just wanted to hop on really quick and share with y'all what I'm getting ready to do. For the ones that's been here with me, y'all know I done had this wicker couch forever on my front porch. And like I said, it's been different colors and everything, and now I'm getting ready to paint it the teal color. I'm trying to think. It seemed like I felt a couple of drops, and I definitely don't want it to rain while I'm trying to do this. So I'm trying to see, because I really don't want to move it in the garage and then do it. I mean, I know I could, but probably be safer for me to do that. I don't know. Moved it into the garage because it's like a 49% chance of rain. So, all right, let's get started.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire.
Okay, so I got the first coat on, y'all. And just looking at it from on the camera, like, you can't really get the full effect of how it's looking. I didn't spray the seat because the cushion will be on there, but you can't really get the full effect of how it looks, but the color is so deep with just that first coat. Now, it might be some colors that bleed through because it has been, I had it orange for years. It was white first. I had it orange for years. Then I painted it like a sand color. Then I painted it black. And, you know, the colors start bleeding through every season. But right now I can see the orange coming through. I don't care about the black coming through. But, and I don't really care because it can have that rustic look. But I'm going to put just a little bit of a second coat on it, but not a whole lot. So, all right, I just wanted to share that with y'all because I've been working in my yard. I've been doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that. My yard, listen, I got a late start to getting things together. But you see, I got that over there. I didn't clean my yard up at the end of the season because we ended up getting snow so fast before we even got the leaves dropped on the ground. And so I didn't get a chance to clean my yard up. But I'm cleaning it up now because the lawn service will be out. They'll start coming back out Thursday. And so, yeah, y'all look at those nests, bird nests. That's like 5 bird nests. I done cleaned this up and cleaned it up, and they keep coming back, and they keep coming back. And they got another one somewhere because, look, over my fence is one sitting on top of one of the posts over there. He just flew off. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to clean I'm finna rake all of this stuff out of these because y'all see all of the plants done grew back up. So I went around the island and all of that. Okay, y'all, so this is how far I got. Pulled all the weeds up. I got 2 bags over there and 1 over here. And it didn't even take me as long as I thought it was gonna take. But I'm gonna have to pull all of this up with it. Had them pull all of this stuff up right here. The landscaping stuff. I don't even know if I put some more stakes in there if it's gonna stay down, but anyhow, looks a lot nicer, neater. grass is so tall, y'all. It's so green. But I treated it yesterday, and like I say, they don't come out until Thursday, and I chose that day. When they came out a few weeks ago, I chose that day because I always get my grass cut. Usually I'll get it cut the first Thursday of May, but I seen how high I was getting, and I was like, just gonna do earlier than that. So that's the island. I'm thinking about cutting down this tree right here. I like it for privacy because my neighbors be watching all the time. But anyways, I was thinking about, used to have a lily tree in here, and I was thinking about putting like 3 different trees like that and cutting that one down. And so, but I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I'm getting ready to finish edging the sidewalk because the battery had died on me earlier, so I just put it back on charger while I was doing everything else. And then over here, I'm gonna come wash all this mud off the house over here and clean the glass, so that when I leave and get back out, when I leave out to go take those ferns back, I'm gonna run to Menards because I'm gonna need some more mulch, because we only got 5 bags for the backyard. It leaked out here too. We only got 5 bags for the backyard, and I only got 3 left. So I had said I was going to get started on the back, and then I'll know how many bags exactly I'm going to need. So that's what I'm getting ready to do once I finish the front door and wiping off the house and the light. That's what I'm going to do. Run out there. So, and this is dried up, so I'm going to put just some spray a little bit more on there. I don't care about the back. I did spray the back a little bit. I don't care about that because you're not going to see it. But I do want to touch the front up just a little. And I might not even need to do that because it don't look bad, honestly. You know. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's fine, actually. I don't even need it. I can just let it dry. Yeah, but I think I'm going to just let it dry. It is what it is, right? It's old. It don't have to be perfect. Every time I do it, I go for the rustic look. So that's what this is going to give. So, all right. So, got that part done. Obviously, I'm not going to make it out to that place for the rocks today. So I'm have, for them to bring out however many I tell them. I think I'm going to get just a ton of rocks, which is like a truckload of them on the back of the truck. And then, just have them dump them on the other side at the end of the driveway. Where I have rocks at over there. I don't know if y'all can see over there. But, got the concrete ready for the mailbox. So I probably won't do that till after we put the rocks down, rake the rocks over into there, or shovel them over to the that hole over there. But yeah, so that's it. When I do whatever else next, I will share with y'all. But let me show y'all what I was talking about with my wreath, because I'm gonna go back to Michael's when I leave out too and get some more of these picks. But I've been sticking them in. And it's got that wild look that I want. So I'm going to go pick up about 4 or 5 more of those little picks. They was on sale for like $1.50, I think, when I got them. So hopefully they're still on sale. And yeah, it makes the wreath look bigger and it has that wild look. These is somewhat of the look of the picks that was hanging out of the one I wanted that said Home Goods. And it had greenery. The greenery was a little different. It had like little white little flowers on it. Tiny flowers, but I don't need that. I just want it to be like this, and hopefully I can find the lavender purple, or either this purple, because it's 3 different tones. But yeah, so I'm gonna stick this out when I get back from the store, and then like I said, and then finish up the back, and then just go from there. With styling it. That wind is blowing so hard, but it feels good outside right now. But the wind is blowing so hard. I done told y'all, I just don't know where all this wind has been coming from. But it is so windy. But all right, y'all. And I do want to find me some chimes. This chime right here I had in the front last year. It didn't match. But because it's mirror and it's reflective. So I felt like it would help with the birds to keep them away. But that ain't helping no with them doggone birds. And it fell off the thing last night. Including it pulled the screw out, this right here, out of the soffit. So I'll get back up there when I get the new chime. And it's so crazy that the other chimes ain't never failed, but that one do. So I'm gonna put that one probably on the porch, back porch somewhere. But yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and share that, y'all. I love these colors. And I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my flower pots also. So we'll work on that. I don't know. On another day. Alright. Day 2. Back at it. Back at it. So for the most part, most of the yard is done. Okay. So I was gonna buy a new sign, welcome sign. Because it's all warped. You don't ever see the bottom because it be behind a planter anyways. But I decided that because I'll show y'all my wreath. I went to the dollar store yesterday. Well, actually went to Michael's. They didn't have but one of those. They only had one of those those picks I showed y'all. So I ended up going to Dollar Tree over by me, and they didn't have none, and they usually have those every year. And so what I'm gonna do, because I have the darker purple now, that's what I bought. I'm gonna buy some lighter colors, shades of it, and then add that in. And then that's gonna be it for that wreath. But I do have it hanging up, and I do have my mat out. I put that out yesterday. But right now, I got my purple paint out, and I got a brush in my hand. I'm getting ready to paint these letters purple. I'm gonna see how the first one look. And then if it look right, I'm gonna keep going. This is not the typical brush that I use when I'm painting, doing crafts. But I'm getting ready to try and see what this will look like. So, it's like whatever. Because I said I was going to start making my own boards. Just buying, and I got boards over there actually. And I got stencils. And I could just make my own. Let me show y'all. I got boards over here. They just need to be cut down a little bit. But I can actually just paint it. And then stencil in what I want. For now, we're going to make this do what it do. I'm glad I thought about it. Like, just paint the letters on there, and keep it. And use this one again. Because I might not have purple out. Yeah, I know I change it every year. Unless I'm using my magnolia one and I just put it on my deck. I'm going to do a tour of my patio soon. They'll be out tomorrow to cut the grass. So y'all know how it is to get a fresh haircut. It just make you look good when you stay groomed. When you groomed all up. So, yeah, I won't share that until then. So, but I know I got y'all tilted, y'all. So don't say nothing. Don't hold it to me. I'm painting this wood. I just want to see what this W gonna look like, and then I'll do the other letters. But I'm trying to save some money. And y'all see the purple so dark, you can't even tell that it's even going on top of that black. But it's rustic and, anyway. So, but I think that it looks straight. I just want to make it look a little neater, brush it a little neater. But other than that, I think that it's straight. It looks blue on here, but it's actually purple. But yeah, I think it's nice. So let me finish this up, and it has that rustic look. Y'all know I love the rustic look. And then I'll be right back. A few minutes later. There we go. Welcome sign. Like I say, it's worked and tore up on the bottom. It's so old. But you ain't going to be able to see the whole thing anyways. You're only going to see the top part of it. And so, yeah. It's going to work out for me. I had to get some chimes. I ain't found none I just want yet. That's a little dark right there. But, yeah, I ain't really found nothing that I just want. That's just standing out, screaming, buy me. Anyways, but yeah. Okay.